अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऐसे राइटिंग ऑन नॉलेज इज पावर या फिर इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ नॉलेज इन इंग्लिश। नॉलेज इज समथिंग दैट विल सर्व यू थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ यानी कि पूरी जिंदगी। द मोस्ट पावरफुल थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड इज नॉलेज बिकॉज इट कैन क्रिएट एंड डिस्ट्रॉय लाइफ ऑन अर्थ। Moreover, knowledge helps us differentiate between humans and animals. Importance of knowledge. Knowledge की अहमियत. There are very few people who truly understand the importance of knowledge. Not every literate person is knowledgeable, but every person is educated. This statement may sound strange, but it is true. In today's world, almost everyone is educated, yet they do not know the subject they have studied. Also, knowledge is something that helps you drive a car, ride a bike, solve a puzzle, etc. Knowledge is something you cannot buy, you have to get it. Benefits of knowledge. Knowledge is something that grows the more you share it. Likewise, humans have used their knowledge to create things we could not have imagined a few centuries ago. It helps us to turn our thoughts into reality, and it also helps us to reach the success we desire in life. Moreover, knowledge helps us distinguish between right and wrong. It helps us to overcome our mistakes, weaknesses, and dangerous situations in life. Also, a person with knowledge is mentally and morally stronger than people with money and less knowledge. Also, knowledge is a very important tool to bring about positive changes in a society or a country. Knowledge gives us a vision of our future and what we can do in it. All the countries of the world that use technologically developed tools and machinery and many other things are the results of knowledge. Arms and bombs do not make a country strong, but knowledge does. A person with knowledge is the richest person in the world because no one can steal his knowledge, but anyone can easily steal your money and power from you anytime. Also, it never decreases in usage and only increases with time. According to him, a person with knowledge is more important than a rich person because a rich person can give money to the nation, but a knowledgeable person can give knowledge to the nation. And this knowledge can also increase the wealth of the nation. Finally, we can say that true knowledge helps a person to blossom. Also, it keeps people away from fights and corruption. Besides, knowledge brings happiness and progress to the nation. Above all, knowledge opens the door to success for everyone. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.